Toolio is a cloud-based, AI-powered merchandising platform that replaces disconnected spreadsheets with one centralized system. Each module connects to the next, all sitting on top of the same underlying data infrastructure, creating a single connected planning process that moves you from financial strategy all the way down to store-level execution. In this video, we'll explore Toolio's assortment planning module. At Toolio, we provide a unified planning platform, but we believe in modularity. Our assortment planning module is fully capable of standing alone, allowing you to build data-driven bottoms-up assortments that optimize your product width and depth regardless of your current planning tools. This is assortment planning. This is your bottoms-up module, and it's where the detailed planning takes place. The goal here is to give you a holistic view of your entire assortment, both now and into the future. As you move through seasons, your assortment changes. New products are introduced, old products are phased out, and core products carry over. Assortment planning is where you capture all of that in one place. But before building a single new choice, Toolio starts with hindsighting. Hindsighting is a rigorous data cleanse analysis of how your past assortment actually performed. The system looks at your historical sales data and performs several cleansing tasks to ensure accuracy and relevance. The result is a cleansed picture of your assortment's real performance. The system then maps to a rate of sale to produce the marginal return curve, a visualization of the relationship between your top performing products and your bottom performing ones, and the long tail that exists in most assortments. The goal is clear: to identify which products contributed meaningfully to your assortment and which ones could be cut without materially impacting sales. In practice, removing the long tail often eliminates a significant portion of choices while affecting only a fraction of total sales, boosting the productivity of your remaining assortment in the process. With the marginal return curve in hand, Toolio moves into assortment rationalization. Rationalization applies your tops-down financial targets from merchandise planning to the cleanse curve to recommend the ideal width and depth of your assortment. This is the bridge between the top-down financial planning and the bottom-up assortment building. The MP target doesn't just sit in a separate module. It can actively shape how many choices you should plan and at what productivity level. Once a rationalization is complete, Toolio can actually see the assortment directly from the rationalization output, creating placeholder products ranked by cluster, with top performing products going to all clusters and down through the remainder. Underpinning all of our modules is the concept of true demand. Rather than planning off raw sales, which are distorted by out of stocks, Toolio's calculations are designed to reflect what customers actually want to buy, not just what was available. This matters because the same demand-driven logic carries forward into allocation. Our rate of sale recommendations, generated in AP, at the cluster, by channel, by store tier, feed directly into allocation strategies, ensuring that the inventory optimization engine is pulling stock to stores based on a true projected demand, not historically distorted sales patterns. Item planning is embedded directly in AP. Every choice, whether it is a key item or a new seasonal buy, has a full time-based plan associated with it: a sales plan, an inventory plan, a receipt plan. And the receipt plan actually drives your buying decisions with the ability to generate purchase orders and push directly into your ERP. This means that the same module handles key item planning, demand forecasting for existing items, and quantification of newness, ensuring a single integrated item level plan rather than disconnected spreadsheets. Once the preseason framework is set, Toolio can integrate into your PLM to sync up product creation and attach your product designs to your plan placeholders, allowing for continuous updates from your PLM to enrich your planning framework. Toolio also supports in-season management of core products through continuous reforecasting. For core items, products that carry over across seasons, Toolio's tournament forecasting takes over. The system runs multiple forecasting models simultaneously against your actual data, including statistical and machine learning models. The most accurate model wins for each product. Different products get different models, matched to what actually works, not a one-size-fits-all approach. And this is a key principle across all of Toolio. The system will give its recommendation, but users can always override. Every key output, forecast, receipts, allocations, has an adjusted line where planners can apply their own judgment. Both the system value and the adjusted value remain visible so that leadership can see exactly where human overrides were applied and compare planner judgment to the model. Tournament forecasting produces a forecast confidence score for each item, a single numeric value that summarizes how reliable a forecast is based on backtesting against the most recent year of sales history. Planners can see this confidence score at the item level directly in Assortment Plan. And then they can double click into the detail to see the underlying machine learning and statistical scores by cluster, giving full transparency into what the system is trusting and why. Finally, the bottoms-up roll-up closes the loop back into merchandise planning. Assortment planning includes a dedicated MP to AP compare reporting view that shows your tops-down MP target alongside your bottoms-up AP roll-up, surfacing the variances between them at a glance. Beyond MP-AP reconciliation, AP reporting gives you a full slice and dice ability across any level of granularity. So you can drill all the way down to the individual item level to understand which products are driving sales visually through gallery view, which surfaces product images alongside key metrics like sales, receipts, and inventory, making it easy to spot winners and laggards at a glance. Assortment planning in Toolio transforms your product strategy into a time-phased execution plan. Because our modules are modular, you can implement the specialized toolkit to refine your assortment today with the option to connect it to the broader Toolio ecosystem whenever you're